Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Microsoft Azure Automanage feature. This feature is currently in public preview. This feature will help organizations to onboard application server as per the Azure Best Practices and will enable all the best practice services at the time of onboarding the application server. Please refer to the documentation for the latest distribution which are supported on Linux. If you want to see the list of Windows operating systems, then these are the operating systems which are supported using Azure Automanage. And if you have some Arc enabled servers, then you can get the list of Arc enabled servers using this link. So these are the supported operating systems which are enabled on Azure Arc. Similarly, for the list of participating services, you can always refer to the documentation because Microsoft will keep updating this as and when required. It is always a best practice to refer to the Microsoft documentation to get a list of latest supporting operating system as well as the participating services. So these are the participating services for Azure Arc, and similarly for the Linux as well. You can get the list of participating services here, and similarly for the Windows as well. Now let's go ahead and do the demo how you can get it configured. Let's log into portal.azure.com and we search here for Automanage. Click on Automanage machine. You can enable on the existing machines. You can choose whether the machine is in production or dev or test. Even if you want to have a custom profile created, then you can choose a custom profile. As of now, I don't have any custom profile, but you have an option to create a custom profile from here. And let's go ahead and choose a dev and test here. Select the virtual machine. You will get a list of all the virtual machines which can be enabled for Automanage. Select the virtual machine and click on select. If you see here, it is status is new. It will be in progress after some time, and once all the configuration is done, it will be the status will be changed to configured. If you want to create a custom profile, you can create a custom profile from here as well. This is the built-in custom profiles which are already available. But if you want to create a new one, click on create and let's name it as custom profile, and we can choose the resource group. You can choose the region, and these are different settings which you can enable backup, frequency, and Microsoft anti-malware, machine insight monitoring. All these configuration you can select, and let's choose the admin center and let's click on create. Now we have a custom profile, and if you're onboarding few more virtual machines to Automanage, you can choose an option for the custom profile and select this profile there. As of now, what we are doing, we are enabling the Automanage feature machine by machine basis. It means we are choosing the machine, and on that virtual machines, the feature is getting enabled. But what if you have hundreds of virtual machines in your source group or in your subscription, and you want to enable Automanage on all those virtual machines? In that case, what you can do, you can create a Azure policy and assign it to the subscription or to the resource group to which you want to enable Automanage. Let's go ahead and do that as well. If I search for policy, select a policy and go to the definitions, and if I search for Automanage, then by default there are two definitions here. One is for the custom profile and one is for the built-in profiles. Let's go ahead and choose this one, and you can assign this. You can set a scope here. Let me choose a subscription, and I want to enable auto patch for the virtual machines in a specific resource group. Let's go ahead and choose it. Select. If I go ahead and create the policy now, what it will do, it will start onboarding the new virtual machines to Automanage. But what about the existing virtual machines? In that case, what we will do, we will go ahead and create a remediation task. Select this option and choose configure virtual machines to be onboarded to Azure Automanage, and go ahead and create it. Now what this will do, it will automatically onboard all the existing virtual machines. For the new virtual machines, by default it will do, but for the existing virtual machines as well, the policy will onboard the existing machines to Azure Automanage. I hope this will be informative for you. Please do share and subscribe if you found worth sharing it. Thank you.